Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the Bing logo PNG and your background clip. This gives clean edges and faster compositing. Once done, set the project ratio to 16:9 or the output size you need, because matching sizes prevent stretching later. Make sure to place the logo on its own overlay layer and lock the background. This isolates changes. You'll also enable frame rate to 30 FPS for smooth motion. These steps get assets organized, so subsequent effects behave predictably. Next, duplicate the logo layer to craft a glow. You'll add blur or a soft shadow to the duplicate, so light feels natural around the mark. Then change its blend mode to screen or add and dial opacity between 20% and 80% to avoid overexposure, because subtlety sells realism. Once that's set, animate the main logo with keyframes, scale from 0 to target, and add a slight position shift. Make sure to ease in and out. This prevents robotic motion and ties the glow to the movement. Finally, add finishing highlights. Use a subtle lens flare or a thin white stroke on a separate layer at low opacity to imply specular reflection. This sells depth. Export with H. 264 at 812 Mbps for good quality and file size balance, and always render a short test clip first to confirm colors and motion. If you see banding, jagged edges, or jitter, verify the PNG alpha is clean and try enabling motion blur or increasing FPS. That usually resolves most artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.